The product you are now using utilizes LearningCube technology developed by L3I Incorporated. This short presentation will explain how the LearningCube works and show you why it is one of the most advanced educational technologies now available to organizations with training needs. A LearningCube has 9 icons on its front face, each representing a chapter of learning material. As your cursor passes over each icon, you will hear that chapter's name announced. To pull out a chapter row, click on that chapter's icon and the chapter row will emerge, exposing its 3 lesson blocks. When you click on a block, it will tumble toward you, land on its video facet, and the block's video will begin playing. The video controls are much like a standard VCR's, with play, pause, fast forward, and rewind. As you watch the block's video, you'll notice that screenshots relating to the video's key concepts will begin appearing around the video's periphery. When you click on any of them, the video pauses and the video area fills with text summarizing the key concept. Clicking the video button lets you resume watching the video. Also, at any time while watching the video, you can pivot to that same lesson block's text facet by clicking the Text button on the video control panel. The text you will find there directly corresponds with the video you are watching, so that you can access related stories, anecdotes, outlines, glossaries, procedures, and websites. From the text facet, you can jump back to the video facet for an experiential understanding of the subject matter. To send a lesson block back to the row, click on the small row icon in the upper right corner. To reassemble the cube, click on the small cube icon in the upper right corner. To get to the back of the cube, click on the spin icon in the lower right corner. This is where you can access a variety of tools to supplement your learning. Click on the spin icon to return to the front of the cube. Now let's look at some of the principles behind the LearningCube. The LearningCube is a standardized system for organizing content using 3 dimensions. The idea is simple. Assign the basic information types, that is, text, video, and interactive data, to specific facets of a cube, one of the most fundamental geometric shapes in existence. This deceptively powerful strategy allows educators, presenters, and trainers to more effectively organize their content. For example, they can provide visual demonstrations via video and provide technical specifications via text. Since the LearningCube is a standardized interface, end users need only learn how to operate it once, to then be empowered to use every other LearningCube in existence. Beyond being a highly effective and easy-to-use educational technology, the LearningCube interface is designed for mass production, enabling organizations with training needs to create entire curricula of LearningCubes at costs and durations that are often 1/10 those of the nearest competing alternatives. Congratulations! You now know the basics of how to use this and every other LearningCube. As a growing standard, it represents a new breed of powerful learning tools that are now ushering in an exciting era of global dynamic education. If your organization is interested in having its own LearningCube library and would like more information, contact L3I at www.l3i.com or www.learningcube.com.